Hey everybody, this is Sue Craig, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States, and today I have a pretty card that's accented with gold. Isn't that pretty? This is that Forever Gold Specialty paper. It's going to be retiring very soon, so I thought I would give you some more ideas on how to use it. Well, let's see what you need to make this card. You're going to need a piece of the gold paper from the Forever Gold Specialty paper. You're going to need a 2-inch circle, and this is soft sea foam. You're going to need a piece of designer series paper that is 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches, and this is from the Forever Greenery designer series paper. You're going to need a piece of white paper that is 5 inches by 7.5, and you're going to score at 3 3/4. Our card base is soft sea foam, and we need a piece that is 5.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score at 2 1/4. What you'll notice on this little flap here is that it has been dry embossed, and the embossing folder that I used is called Evergreen Forest. It's a 3D embossing folder, and when you use it on this paper, you can use this side or the other side. They both look beautiful when they are embossed. So let's see how we build this card. Oh, I didn't show you how the card opens and everything. Let me show that to you. Here's the card. This is going to open here, and then our flap will open here. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Just something a little different. So let's start with our white piece here. We're going to fold this in half, and we're going to use our bone folder to make that crease strong. And we're going to keep in mind that this white piece is going to be with the fold on the left, as you can see here. We want it to open like a book. So that's how we're going to place that. And then we're going to add our designer paper on top of that. So let's go ahead and do that. And like always, I grab the 2 corners. Okay. We're going to stamp using Shaded Spruce. I always keep my stamp pad to the right because I am right-handed. That way I'm not reaching across. And when I do this, I make sure that there's ink on all the letters. I'm going to set this down and stamp. Okay, get that out of the way. While I have the ink pad open, you can see in the white part of the card we have hello and we have some leaves. So we're going to open this up and we're going to stamp hello or not. I'll have to get that stamp out. So we'll stamp the leaves, and then we'll stamp hello. There we go. And we'll gently press that on the paper. There we go. Alright. I'll kind of move these off to the side. No, let's do this. Let's take our let's take our gold paper, and you're going to make it go up and down like that. So let's attach that to our paper. Now you could use dimensionals if you like. I'm just going to use this flat on the cardstock. Okay. And then I'm going to put this on. This looks nice with either the circle or this other shape. You can see you still get a pretty card. If you wanted to use dimensionals, we could do that with this part. So let's do that. We'll put a couple dimensionals on the back here just to raise it up a little. I'm not going to worry about more than a couple of these. And then we'll just set this on. Okay. So our stamping is done. All we need to do now is to take our card base, and we're going to put the white part here. And we want to leave just a little bit here. This is going to close in here, so I want to make sure that I push that down so that it will stay. There we go. So we're going to take this piece here, we're going to put adhesive on it. Again, I'm going to hold opposite corners and attach it. If you want, you can flip it over. Open this, close this, and now you have your card. I hope you liked this card. I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching.